Good afternoon. This is my soft skill performance review. My communication skills, I would give a 5. I feel I communicate well with my peers and my supervisors and also my patients. Critical thinking, I would also give a 5. I am able to evaluate and judge a situation in order to figure out what the next step is and get into action with that. For an example, a patient that is looking like they're about to pass out, um, I'm usually pretty quick on my feet in evaluating the situation, figuring out, how far they are in passing out, and that makes sense. And getting ice packs on them and, making them talk to me, telling them, they're going to be okay, and trying not to have them completely pass out on me or on anyone else. Teamwork, I would also give a 5. I am very much a team player. I work well with my team and others. I help when I see that it's needed, and I will step in, whenever somebody needs help in other departments or other areas of our department. My work ethic, again, a 5. I don't like giving myself this many 5s, but I feel like I am a good employee. I feel like I have great work ethics. I respect and follow the rules of the company. I do my work in a timely manner, and I only take breaks when they're scheduled. And I just feel like I am personable. I have a good work ethic. That's a hard word for me to say today. And leadership, that one is a 3. I do not feel I have strong leadership skills, although I am working on them, and I will continue to be a work in progress until I'm at a 5 or beyond. But I could work on definitely delegating and just being there and supporting a team. Positive attitude, I think I have a great attitude. I am very positive with my patients and my coworkers and managers and supervisors. I feel like even when I'm having a bad day or something has gotten to me, I use mindfulness to bring myself back into a positive state of mind, and I just try my best to stay as positive as I can and, enjoy life. Patience, again, is another 5. I am very patient with both my patients and my coworkers, and I don't think I've ever had any reason to be patient with my supervisors or managers, but I feel like, I have all the patience in the world, and there's no reason to be impatient. If somebody's walking slow down the hall and I'm waiting for them to come into the draw station with me, I'm getting paid. I can wait for them. If they're having trouble, I will wait for them to get to me as soon as they can. And flexibility is another 5. I have changed my schedule many times to, help out when somebody calls out sick, or, you need to send somebody to a different area of the hospital for either the COVID testing or anything. I have definitely changed my schedule. I've even worked extra hours. I'm willing to do different jobs in my department. I've even gone up and done the COVID testing on multiple occasions. So yeah, I would say flexibility is definitely a 5 as well. Like I said, I'm not normally one to give myself high scores. I'm usually very much more conservative with how I rate myself, but I do feel in all of these soft skills, I do accelerate. I do believe that I deserve 5s, with the exception of the leadership. Leadership is definitely something that needs to be worked on a little bit more. But my evaluation.